Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change screen recording quality on Redmi A3 Pro. To change screen recording quality, swipe from the top of your screen twice and find screen recorder. It might be somewhere here. It's on my first page, so press and hold on it to enter its settings, and to change the quality you can change 3 factors: resolution, video quality, and frame rate. The resolution can be set to either the higher or the lower value. The quality can be from 1 megabit per second all the way up to 100 megabits per second. And the frame rate can be set from 15 to 90 FPS, frames per second. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.